Welcome to our in-depth video review of the luxurious Voyage Belek Golf and Spa, a 5-star all-inclusive resort located on the stunning Turkish Riviera. Situated just 35 kilometers from Antalya Airport and 2 kilometers from the town of Belek, this resort offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Upon arrival, guests are greeted at a sleek and modern reception area designed solely for check-in purposes. The main building houses the central lobby bar and a charming patisserie, which operates from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m., offering a delightful array of pastries, including London tarts, eclairs, and fresh croissants. The attention to detail in these areas sets the tone for the rest of the resort. Accommodations at Voyage Belek are both stylish and functional. Standard rooms in the main building feature minimalist decor, spacious bathrooms, and complimentary minibars stocked with soft drinks. For families, the resort offers family rooms with additional space and amenities. Guests seeking a more luxurious experience can opt for the duplex villas, which come with private pools and enhanced minibar selections. Dining options are abundant, with the main restaurant offering a variety of international cuisines and different themed sections, including a dedicated kids area. For those who miss regular meal times, the 24/7 à la carte restaurant, Cuisine 24, provides a diverse menu accessible via tablet, ensuring guests can satisfy their cravings at any hour. The resort boasts a range of recreational facilities. The main outdoor pool is expansive, and there is a heated indoor pool for cooler seasons. The private beach area is thoughtfully divided into grassy and sandy sections, catering to different preferences. Additionally, there are adult-only zones for those seeking a quieter experience. For families, the Aqua Park and Tugi Kids World offer endless entertainment for children. Voyage Belek also caters to sports enthusiasts, featuring facilities for tennis, football, and access to the Montgomery Max Royal Golf Course. The on-site Sense Spa provides a tranquil environment with a range of treatments, including Turkish baths, massages, and beauty services. Guest reviews consistently highlight the resort's exceptional service, diverse dining options, and family-friendly amenities. One guest remarked, "Fabulous 5-star hotel, worthy of its rating. Lovely food, clean and comfortable rooms, and lots to do if you have children." Another noted, "We liked the very friendly staff, the food, the gym, the fantastic aqua park which the kids loved, and the excellent location." In summary, Voyage Belek Golf and Spa offers a comprehensive all-inclusive experience that caters to both families and adults seeking luxury and relaxation. With its prime location, extensive amenities, and exceptional service, it's a destination that promises a memorable stay. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more travel reviews and insights.